Today we are doing the ultimate DIY self-care hair care routine. And y'all, I need it. It has been a while. This routine is ideal for anyone with a dry, flaky scalp, color damaged hair, and those looking to just restore some moisture after this long winter. Now, everyone's hair is different, but I would say this routine is ideal for anyone with like medium to thick hair and porosity between medium and resistant hair. First up, we are starting with my favorite part of hair care, a scalp scrub. Ow! Scalp scrubs are perfect exfoliators. Now, exfoliating the scalp removes product buildup, flaky skin, and it promotes hair growth. Today, we're using a mixture of coconut oil, raw sugar, and coffee grounds. While coconut oil is going to add to the moisture and be kind of like the binding agent here, sugar in the raw is going to act as the thing kind of picking up the dry skin. Yummy. And now we add coffee for the exfoliating properties, but also because caffeine helps promote hair growth. You can also use this exfoliant mixture if you are going to exfoliate your underarms or your legs or your bikini area. And here is our little mixture. And now we just have to part our hair and rub it on our scalp. Okay, y'all, I suggest starting on like one side of your head just so you're sure to like kind of hit everything. We are taking this little mixture and we are going to be rubbing in like a circular motion just to pick up any dry skin, any leftover products, and really get that moisture from the coconut in there all at the same time. If you find that any particular area of your head gets like extra itchy while you're between hair wash days, focus on those areas because you probably have some product buildup right there. You're probably gonna have to vacuum or something afterwards too. And then we just keep going all around the head. And there we have it. We are all covered, coated up. I'm just gonna keep doing little massages while I have it on my scalp. And now I have so many leftovers. Do you want a little scalp scrub? Yeah! I knew it. I really wanna make sure the coconut oil seeps in, does the most that it can right now, and then we'll rinse it out in like an hour or two. This needs to stay for a bit. Well, we are now rinsing with some warm water and combing out all the little scrub bits. Now that the scrub is all out of my hair, it's time to add a little bit of oil. Whew. Especially after exfoliating, it is best to take extra care of your scalp, y'all. So that is why we're doing it in this order. Coconut oil can be a little thick to leave on your scalp for an extended period of time. So now that that is all rinsed out, we're gonna be doing the same thing where we section our hair, but this time we're adding oils. So today I'm gonna be using a vitamin E oil. You can see that it prevents dryness and promotes healthy hair. So that is what we're focusing on. I also use this just to put on like my skin like all the time. If y'all have an irritated scalp, you might wanna mix in some tea tree oil. This one, beautiful. So section by section. Perfect. And now we're going to add a little hair mask on the ends. I'm going to be using Kenra's Nourishing Mask because I have a fresh bleached section in my hair. This part definitely needs some moisture, okay? Just add a hair mask all throughout. And now we cover up yet again. Perfect. This would be honestly the perfect time if you were going to do like a sleepover, leave it on all night hair mask, because we got our scalp absorbing that moisture, and then our ends coated. Love it. Alrighty, I'll be back in a couple hours. And now it's time for a little shampoo and conditioner. Now, I'm not gonna bring you in the shower with me, but this is how I'm gonna do the shampoo, okay? This is the most important part. When you do the shampoo, we want it just on our fingertips, okay? We're not trying to get shampoo all in our hair. No, 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 we're not. We want shampoo just on our fingertips, and we want to massage it onto our scalp. Can we do that? Don't want shampoo on the ends. We want to leave in as much moisture and as good stuff as possible. And also, it's okay to leave a little conditioner in your hair. Unless you have fine hair. If you have fine hair, don't leave conditioner in. And then all you need is a microfiber towel. Ooh! All washed, all rinsed, and feeling good. The moisture is real, y'all. The best thing I can do for my hair is honestly air drying. I'm just gonna let this air dry, and then I'll show you what I put in it while it's dry. Oh, my hair feels so good. This is insane. Ooh, there's so much volume happening. You love it. Since I have color damaged hair, it feels great, but just in case, we're gonna add a little oil on the ends. So this is my Olaplex #7 bonding oil. So a little bit right there, a little bit goes a long way. And we're just gonna pull at the ends. Definitely focusing on the most damaged part of my hair. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And we did that. My hair has never felt better. You have some time on your hands, do a little hair reset with this phenomenal in-depth self-care hair routine. You just have to, I'm telling you, it feels so good. So just to recap, y'all, we did a DIY scalp scrub. We did a rinse. We oiled our scalps. We did a hair mask. We did a light shampoo, condition, let it air dry, and then we added some oils. We really did it all. Let me know if you plan to follow this routine in the comments down below, and give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!